Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I'm going to show you how to make these Malteser brownies, although I stupidly forgot to film the first part. So the first thing you want to do is melt together your butter and dark chocolate. Whilst it's melting, whisk your sugars and eggs together in a separate mixing bowl, then add in your butter chocolate mixture. Add in your flour and cocoa powder and give it another whisk, and then you can fold in your Maltesers. Pour the batter into a tin, spread it towards the edges to make sure it's nice and even, then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius, that's for a fan assisted oven, for around 22 to 25 minutes. You want it to be slightly gooey and wobbly when you take it out to make sure that you get the fudgy texture. Once it's cooked, top it with some more Maltesers whilst it's still warm, then let it come to room temperature, and after it has, you can pop it in the fridge for a few hours to get the fudgy texture. Just resist the urge to eat them warm. Take them out of the fridge when they are ready, cut them up, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed them and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Tuesday for another Easter themed recipe. Thanks for watching, bye!